Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my planners, my current stack of planners for 2018. So I posted a picture of these in a handbag the other day and got some comments about whether I use them all, and yes I do. So first let me try to pick up the stack without it tumbling over so you can see what kind of craziness I'm talking about. It's quite heavy. Oh. There it is, my current stack of planners, and yes, I use them all. All right, I'm just gonna go through each of them, and I'm gonna try to make this a pretty fast video and just tell you what I use each of them for, and then if you want more details on any of the individual planners, you can ask about that in the comment section, and I can do a video about that. So first one is my Louis Vuitton Agenda PM. This is in the Vernis. It's a red color called Pommes d'Amour, and if I mispronounce that, forgive me. Open it up, and I'm not using this as an agenda, I'm using it as a wallet for cards, like store cards, rewards cards, and then I have my healthcare cards in the back. And I thought I had some note paper, but I guess I took that out. Oh no, it's up front. No, it's not. Is it? Yeah, there's a little bit of note paper up front and a tiny pen. And this pen, I've said recently in a video that it does not fit in there. I just have it clipped on. You see, there are places you can figure out pens to go in there. I don't have any that fit in there myself. All right, the next one is also Louis Vuitton. This is the Agenda MM and the Damier Ebene. And this one I use for personal information. So I've got like my, I've got a little calendar. I've got, actually, let me show you this other thing that I really like that I have in here, if I can find it. Oh, here it is. This is a little note from the person that I bought this agenda from. I got it pre-loved. I thought that was really sweet, so I kept it in the agenda. So this has the cards for the stores where I shop, the sales associates. It has my online purchase tracking, so I can remember what I've bought and when it's supposed to be here. It has like birthdays and some addresses. It has my Louis Vuitton collection, to-do lists, health information, stuff like that, note paper too. So that's what's in there. This is my Hermes agenda cover, and I have a notebook inside. I have another video on this if you want to see it. This I use as a journal, and that's something that I want to do for the new year, is start writing every day, just a little, whether it's a page a day or write for 5 to 10 minutes a day. I've done that on day 1. It is now day 15. I did it on day 1. I just haven't had time or made time, but I mean, I've been doing a lot of other things. These two go together. I have nothing in this yet. I haven't started using it, but I have a plan for it. So this one I have used for the last year as my YouTube agenda, and every page in here is an idea for a video, most of which I have not done yet. What I want to do, because this one's getting pretty full and I still have more ideas, is start moving the ideas that I have done over to this journal, so it'll free up space for new ideas in here. So I'm thinking that's what I'll use, this burgundy one for. Both of these agendas are from Michael's, from Recollections, and you can get them with the 50% coupon for about $10 or so. This one here is a little journal that I picked up at Hobby Lobby the other day. It came in a pack of 3. The other 2 were smaller, and it was $5 for all 3. This one I'm using for budgeting and just keeping track of bills and income and outgoing money and all that stuff. Just a place to have it in one spot, because in the past what I've done is every 2 weeks when I get paid, I just write down bills and whether I'm paid and when they're due and all this stuff. And this way I can have it in one place and go back and refer to previous months to track things. This one is the Louis Vuitton Agenda GM. Also got this one pre-loved. All my agendas, all my Louis Vuitton agendas are pre-loved, and that Hermes agenda cover. So this is my work agenda, and there's the inside of it. If you have not seen a video on this before, this is not hot stamped. These are stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. And what I have in here, files with notes in the back. I'm a teacher, if you don't know that, so I have a section for each class. And then I also have calendar pages and this is where I'll have my, my calendar for the week and my to-do list and all that for work. So this one I do carry back and forth with me, but never in my purse because it's way too heavy for that. But that's my work agenda. It mostly stays on my desk except when I'm bringing it back and forth at home. This one I just got a week or two ago, and I got it from Michael's. It's one of the, is it Recollections? I think it's a Recollections book. So this is designed after the Erin Condren planners, which are much more expensive than this. I got this for about $10 on sale, and the Erin Condren are more like 50 or 60. So that's what it looks like, and it also has the monthly pages. And what I'm using this one for is a fitness tracker. And let me bring up a page here. I'm not sure if I have something that's not written in yet. Yeah, well, I don't want to show you what I have written down yet because it's personal information, but I have meal planning, I have steps, I'm tracking weight, and I'm tracking wellness, like how I feel every day, and when something hurts. And then this is my newest one that I got last week, and this one I'm using for YouTube also. This one, so one of my resolutions for this year is to start treating YouTube more like a business or like a job that I'm doing so that I can be more consistent about posting videos. Because last year I was just, I'd get an idea and I'd do it when I did it, and I would post when I could post. And I tracked my progress for 2017, and of course, it's more, I get a lot more feedback from people when I post more videos. So I want to be better about that and posting more consistently. I would like to do about 2 or 3 videos a week. Let me know if you think that's too much, because I don't want you to get sick of me either. But this is going to help me keep track of that. This is a big 8.5 by 11 book. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and this is the Create 365 ring bound planner. I thought I would hate these things, and I am loving this system so far because you can take pages out, not like the spiral book. It's kind of a cross between this. I always drop things on the cameras, don't I? Oh, by the way, I'm going to show you this one. This is what just fell out. It comes with this pocket in the back, and I don't usually keep it closed because I store it like this when I'm carrying it around so nothing falls out. But I just picked it up like this so everything fell out. But I keep my colored markers and stickers and things back there, so that's really handy. And then it also has this 2-sided pocket to keep things in, so that's handy. But anyway, this ring bound system is kind of a cross between the spiral and the binder systems of the other agendas that I have, so you can take pages out and move them around and customize it, which is so very helpful for what I wanted to do. And this one I got an 18-month book. And I took out all the pages, all the weekly, the week on 2 pages. I took all those out for the months from 2017. And I only kept the monthly page. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you a decent month. How about November? So like on this month, I'm tracking when I posted videos in that month so I can see how very inconsistent I was last year. And then this year, I am trying to post more often, so I've been pretty good about that so far. And then I have it has the year at a glance up front, and I'm just tracking a bunch of things. I also, this one doesn't come with any pockets, and I need pockets, so I made this one. This is just a sheet of kind of a vellum that I got from the scrapbook aisle at Hobby Lobby, and then I used washi tape around the edge. So this top strip is only on the vellum paper, but the sides and the bottom are part on the vellum and part on the plastic there. And it's my understanding that you can use a white erase marker or a dry erase marker and write on these and then wipe it off on the laminated covers. So yeah. And I did a pocket on the back too. And I have these little clips. Oh, and I just took mine off. So this is the week at a glance. This is the current week. Or no, I'm filming this on Monday, and I'll put it up later this week. So this would have been last week when you're seeing this. And I've divided it up so that I have, I'm thinking maybe I'll post on like Monday or Tuesday. I was thinking Tuesday and then Friday or Saturday or Friday or Sunday as my video posting days. So I've divided the week up like that. So this would be the Tuesday video, the Friday video, the weekend video. And then I have notes on each section, like an outline for the video, the materials I'll need, links I want to post in the description, photos I need, notes that I need. Like I just did the strap video, so I have all the dimensions of the straps written down. And then I decorate each page with the washi before I start writing in it, just to make it prettier for myself. And then I have notes for future videos and what I want to do this week and whatever else I've got going on. So I'm really loving this Create 365 planner right now. That's my favorite one at the moment, but it's also the newest one, so maybe that's the reason I like it, because you know, you always like the pretty new shiny things. If you have any questions about any of those or want more details about what I do in them, how I set them up, any of that, let me know and I can do a video on it. I'd love to hear your ideas for planners too. I know a lot of us are into planners right now. Oh, and I carry these, in case you're wondering, most of them I can fit in the Birkin inspired bag by Fashionphile. Got it on Amazon. I have 3 of these. You've seen them in another video, so they all fit in here. I've got some other stickers and junk in there for the planners. So most of them fit in there except that giant ring bound one. That one I carry around in my rolling cart where I keep my computer and all that. I only use those Fashionphile bags as briefcases like that, not usually as handbags. I then carry a different handbag. So I'm pretty loaded down when I'm going around with all that stuff. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Click the like button, please, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, and have a fantastic day. Bye.